Hello. Today I am going to be doing the dragon flower for the first time. Literally just took the resin course through resincourses.com and I'm hoping I got it right. I'm using the Art Pro resin, exactly what they have in the video. And it's looks like this. Not sure if you could see. I think that looks like backwards, but hopefully not. We'll see. So, according to the recipe, I can't give out the full recipe, obviously, but I am using 200 grams. So it's 120 grams of A and 80 grams of B. Okay, and that's what I've done so far. Now I'm going to be using paper cups for some of the stuff. So I want to do 140 grams. So we're going to do 40 grams of the darker color. So I got 40 grams in this cup. This color I'm going to do, we'll do the green, sap green from Liquitex. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we did 8 drops of the Liquitex and 40 grams of the resin. I'm going to do just a tad bit of the black. I have carbon black from Liquitex, so we're just going to try, if we can, just do like half a drop if we can. There we go. That's it. Just make it a tiny bit darker. Okay. Perfect. So we have our first color down. Okay. Now we're going to, I'm going to do the white off camera. So that is one thing I won't be able to show you guys. So I only did 2 drops of my Liquitex maroon color. So it could be very translucent. Oh, it's almost too translucent. So I'm going to just do, so it'll be a total of 4 drops. So I did 8 drops of the green, 1 drop of the black in here, and doing 4 drops total of the maroon color from Liquitex. I think that's good. It looks darker in the cup than what it actually is. Go ahead and do my white off camera. So I've done my white off camera. It's about 25, 26 grams. I did a little bit more just in case for some reason. I am going to do just a drop of the same color we put in here, but just a drop in the white. Okay. So this is going to be my white. Okay. So for the black, or the green, I mean. Okay. Now we're going to do a little bit of the red. Okay. Put the rest aside. Now what we're going to be doing is taking this and we're going to be making a design. We'll see how this turns out. Now we're going to start again. Okay, that's enough. We're going to wait until it's almost closed and to pour in the rest. Okay. Put in a little bit of my center. And now we're going to torch. And that's it. We're just going to leave it alone. Okay? I have no idea how this is going to turn out because, again, I have not done this before. It's very new to me. Just took the course. This is my first time ever doing it. And I wanted to make sure I got it on camera so all you folks can see. And if it comes out, great. If it doesn't, well, back to the drawing board. Okay, so that, my friends, is the dragon flower. So definitely needs to be worked on. I think maybe lighter on the green could have been much better, but it is so pretty. So let me know what you think in the comments. Don't definitely going to have to keep working on this. I actually, when I was offline, I made another one, and it's not quite ready to be demolded yet. So this time I did the red first and then the green, so I just sort of switched the colors. It's curious to know how it's going to turn out, but this came out really good. I'm really impressed with it, and I'm hoping to find a way to get more of these little things. So I gotta play with it. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. So excited. Love, love, love. Okay. Thanks for watching.